Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to create an eye-catching travel poster that'll wow your audience in Canva? Click the Create button at the top of the screen, then enter the word poster into the search field to start your project. We'll use this format for our document to ensure consistency and clarity throughout the tutorial. In the template section, type travel poster into the search bar, then press enter to search for available templates. Browse the options and select the template you like best by clicking on it. Once you've selected your preferred travel poster template, you'll be able to begin customizing it to fit your project's needs. Edit the details shown here, and upload your own logo in this section. You can further customize any other information displayed by clicking the relevant fields. Make sure to review all the details before saving your changes to ensure everything is accurate and personalized. You can add images here, edit this contact, and update the website field. To add links, simply click and enter the URL directly into the designated area for each section. Press Ctrl and K to complete the action. Once you've done this, your changes will be saved and the feature will be enabled. You'll now see that the tool is fully operational and ready for use. This confirms that Ctrl K has successfully finished the process, making sure your workflow can proceed smoothly without interruptions. You can now continue with your tasks. To download your project as a PDF, click the Share button, select the Download option, and choose PDF as the file type. Then, confirm your selection to begin the download. Your file will be saved to your device automatically. You've just learned how to design a travel ad poster in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.